Okay guys, we've got a new trade setup that's just emerged. Now, GBPAUD. GBPAUD, GBPJPY, oil and silver, all of the key level video breakdowns are now in the key level section. It's the last video. You can go back and get all of the levels and so on for those pairs and instruments. So this pair in particular has been pressing hard. Recently we had a huge shooting star candlestick formation on their daily and a Maribozu. The weekly has been falling off a cliff as well. Okay, here's Brexit, the aftermath, and so forth. And I'm expecting this a little bit lower, maybe to 1.6500. So what I've seen on the 4 hour, has not closed yet. We have had a small retracement after making these new lows. We more or less got a kind of tweezer top formation at the daily highs there, and we're banging our head on a weekly resistance 1.6750. Our trade setup has just came in from this time frame though, the hourly. So what we have seen recently is if you take this area as a key area of resistance, 1.6750. So we've had an attempt here as a retracement, a retest here, and also a retest here. Swift bearish engulfing. We popped up once more, and I believe 1, 2, 3, 4. These spikes are more or less stop hunting. So we're getting stop hunting around this level. So everyone is going short, stops above the key area of resistance. Market psychology once again. Once here, it came up once more, and we've also hit the prior day's high. So as you can see, if I zoom in closely to this, we have had all of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles in a row where we spiked through the daily high, but we've rejected that daily high. Okay, so my entry is on this bearish engulfing formation in the Maribozu right there. So here's the entry, guys. Short position right here after this candlestick. Okay, stop loss is going 20 pips above the highest candle high, so 92. We're going to 12, 6, 8, 12. That'll do. And then stop loss target wise, sorry, I'm looking back maybe at the support level, 1.6600, more or less this round number area zone across here. So it's a risk reward of 1 to 1.8. I'm risking 72 pips for 133 pips there on this currency pair. Okay, and that's the trade set up before. So hopefully we're going to see some bearish momentum follow through. I'm expecting a new lows past this level, but just to be safe, I'm keeping my target level right there. So that's the trade before. Hey traders, and we are back. Absolutely great result on the GBPAUD. Took a short, as you can see, bar after that, boom, 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 boom. More or less it just melted throughout the day. I did say this one can move a huge amount. Okay, so be careful with this. I did go through the reasonings for this trade. Easy. Quite easy. It's more or less a 1 to 2 risk reward. Trade made sense. As you can see, it hasn't actually hit my target, but I closed it around 10 to 10. Okay, so this trade has been on all day. It's now 10 to 11. The market rolled over at 10 p.m. The new daily candle has in fact started now. So I closed it out just before the end of the day. With a grand total of 122 pips minus the gap here and spread. So 122 pips I took off this just today. So yes, that simple, that straightforward on this particular trade setup. Look at the daily. We had a daily shooting star. Didn't I mention that we could potentially get a shooting star on the daily? Yesterday's candle was in fact a shooting star. You can see the wicks 1, 2, 3 rejecting 6, 750. Again, importance of round numbers key levels. Coming down to the 4 hour time frame, we had a huge shooting star right off the daily high there as well. Bearish engulfing. We engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, more or less 6, nearly 7 4 hour candlesticks there. We're resting on this spot now, but I do believe we can maybe break this and come down to monthly area support, which I did mention as well. So great result in one day, 122 pips from GBPAUD alone. So I hope you enjoyed that trade. Brilliant setup. Absolutely, well, I think it's one of the best trades I've taken in a while, to be honest. Just the cleanness of it, how swiftly it just dropped out of the sky. So 122 pips, great result. Thank you very much.